Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing one bedroom in Luxury W Hotel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, parking, free Wi-Fi, beachfront, non-smoking rooms and a bar. Offering pool views, 1 bedroom in Luxury W Hotel in Fort Lauderdale has accommodations, a restaurant, free bikes, an outdoor swimming pool, a bar and a terrace. The accommodations are air-conditioned and has a private pool, a spa bath and a hot tub. Featuring a kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, each unit also comes with a safety deposit box, a cable flat-screen TV, ironing facilities, closet and a seating area with a sofa. There's a private bathroom with shower in all units, along with a hairdryer and free toiletries. Popular points of interest near the condo hotel include Fort Lauderdale Beach, City of Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas Marina and Bonnet House Museum and Gardens. The nearest airport is Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, 8.1 miles from 1 bedroom in Luxury W Hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.